Hello, welcome to the first coding video of the course. In this video, we'll focus on setting up the overall blockchain and cryptocurrency project. We're going to create a new project folder on our system and install some libraries. For this blockchain project, we're going to use Node.js as our backend JavaScript engine. Now, you may be familiar with JavaScript if you've done some web development. But if you need a quick overview of the language, go ahead and watch the optional JavaScript mega overview that is in this course. This also means that you'll need Node.js installed on your system. Now, a quick way to find out if you have Node is to run node-v in your command line. So go ahead and open up your command line application and run node-v. And if you see some output, anything higher than version 8 should be fine, and therefore you have Node. As for command line apps itself, if you're on macOS, my preferred command line application is iTerm2. But the native terminal application is good as well. That applies to Linux as well. Terminal is just fine. And if you're on Windows, I absolutely highly recommend using Git Bash because it offers the same Unix environment through Bash that we'll use on macOS here in this course as well as Linux. You can also install the Linux beta on your Windows machine to access a Bash environment as well. And the benefit to that is that if you're interested in software engineering, a lot of remote servers are going to be using Bash, so it's really recommended to know Bash and learn it. Cool. Another command to check is npm, which is installed automatically with Node. So with npm-v, anything higher than version 5 should be just fine. With Node and npm available, let's make the project. So we can use the mkdir command to make a directory, and this time I'll make a project called CryptoChain. So mkdir, and this project is going to be called CryptoChain. And that is going to be the project for this overall course. Go ahead and navigate into the directory with the cd command. And once you start typing in most of the name of the folder, you can use tab to automatically complete. I'll clear so that way the terminal is nice and clear. And then we can turn this into a Node.js project with the npm init command. We'll use npm init. And we'll also provide the -y option, which will answer yes to all the questions of the interactive questionnaire, which usually accompanies npm init. Now we can always edit those answers to that interactive questionnaire later, which essentially customizes the output to this package.json file. This package.json file is used to specify the details about the Node.js project, such as its name and its author. Now we'll come back and edit this file later. For now, the next step is to install our first Node.js library, Jest. Jest is a JavaScript library that runs tests on JavaScript code. And we're going to use it to make sure that our blockchain logic is working properly. So install Jest with the npm install command. Now a shortcut for install is npm-i, so we'll actually use npm-i. The name of the library is Jest, and to be compatible with the version of the project that is used in this course, use an @ at 23.6.0, and we'll also use the --save dev flag, which will mark Jest as a library dependency that we're going to be using in development of this project. So as we save this, it's going to install Jest as a development dependency in the CryptoChain project. So it's going to install, and then once we have that installed, we're going to want to check out the package.json file by doing a cat of package.json, which will print out the package.json contents to the actual command line. And what we see is this new dev dependencies section with Jest specified as well as the version number. Cool, so that completes the initial project setup. Next, let's start creating the first bit of logic for this blockchain application.